Okay, here we go.
The next generation of breakfast is here. The new, dang it, pick up.
The new dang it.
The new AM.
The new dang it.
The next generation of breakfast.
Do food
is
slut.
here. The next generation of breakfast is here. The new AM crunch wrap, eggs, bacon, cheese, and a hash brown inside. It's the all-in-one breakfast, only at Taco Bell.
Yay! That makes sense?
Yes.
Because when you do the food slut thing, you take the pressure off of how you would naturally say the consonants, and then there's enough space for the S's to be clean.
That makes sense.
So we don't want to mosaify it into any one rule for how you practice it, but if you keep mixing them up, Joey's always laughing at that. But it's a good image, really, about not, being too militant about how you practice. You have to use different mechanisms for the reframe. Good for you.